What are access bars? Access bars is a hands on process which allows you to release all the negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions from your body. Now, whether you've been carrying these thoughts, feelings, emotions from your childhood or from your past life or from someone else, it allows you to release it through every cell of your body. Now, where is this process even coming from? Gary Douglas, based in US, channelized these 32 points and it came into existence in the form of Access Consciousness, an organization that is present across 170 countries now. There are 5 million plus practitioners across these countries who are practicing this, who are using the tools of Access Consciousness, and who are transforming one person at a time every single day. What happens during a bars process? A person comes with whatever issues or whatever it is that they would like to change, they discuss, they lie down, and the practitioner starts working on their head. Now, these 32 points cater to different aspects of your life. They cater to your creativity, your power center, your awarenesses, your time, space, communication, and just everything that influences your life. When we start to regulate the flow of energy through these 32 points, the body starts feeling lighter. There is more space for you. You feel more expansive. Your stress level starts to reduce. Your depression starts to reduce. And there is just this energy of you to start doing things, energy for you to start moving, and energy for you to start feeling more of you, feeling more authentic and more original. That itself is a game changer. What you learn in an Access Bars Practitioner workshop, it's a 8 hours workshop, it's one day, half a day is theory. So in theory, we cover all these principles and all the other tools that are there that makes the basis of Access Consciousness. Once we have gone over that philosophy, once we've gone over those principles, then the second half is all practical. So we teach you the 32 points that you on the head that are the Access Bars points. We teach you how to run them using a verbal process, and we make you practice 4 sessions in that one single day. So it's like carpet bombing of all those negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions that you've been holding on to in your life in one day. And every Access Bars practitioner will tell you that that one day training is going to be a game changer for you. Now, who can receive Access Bars? Access Bars is for every single person, whether it's a child, whether it's an adult, whether it's somebody who's dealing with an issue, whether somebody is dealing with a problem, or it's someone who just doesn't have any of these qualms. They just want to explore a different possibility. They're feeling stuck in their lives, or they just want to experience something wonderful and beautiful and want to feel the joy in their life. It's an exploration. Access Bars is not to fix anything. It's not to challenge anything. It's not to change anything. It is all about choosing a different possibility. And that itself is such a different take from all the other healing modalities, right? All the other healing modalities will tell you, okay, you need to fix this, you need to change this, you need to transmute this, you need to begin to fix this. Access Bars is all about exploring that, okay, this is what I've experienced till now in my life, whether financially, physically, relationship-wise, and I would like to do something different. I would like to explore what else is possible with my life, with my body, with my relationship and finances that I've not even considered before. And this is a given. Moment you run your Access Bars, your possibilities start to show up, your life start to change very subtly. How it shows up, you don't know. When it shows up, you don't know. But there is a definite possibility that that change, that transformation that you've been asking for will show up. And anyone who has ever done Access Bars, who's been a practitioner, who practices Access Bars tools, will tell you exact same story. So what is the process of becoming an Access Bars practitioner? Do you have an email? All you need to do then just go on the Access Consciousness website, sign up, find a facilitator in and around your area, and there will definitely be one. Or you can just check out our website. You can go to Access Consciousness website, find a facilitator close to you in your city. So once you've created your account for free on Access Consciousness, you find your facilitator, you find the date and time that works for you. And that's all you have to do to become, to enroll yourself in the Access Bars class. There is no prerequisite. Anyone can do it. And it is especially free for children under 15. So you can bring your children, they can learn this life skill just for free. And that's all you require. At 1 day commitment, just 8 hours of commitment. And there you go. So what all do you get during your practitioner course? You get lots of tools, techniques, practices, philosophies, perspectives that will start changing your life. You learn the access bars technique for sure. You get a manual, you get 2 head charts, you get access to the access bars community in India and worldwide. You open yourself to a lot of possibility and a lot of resources like business resources, Facebook groups, social media groups, and you become a part of one of the most beautiful, easygoing, and joyful community across the world.